Exploring the geometry of points in 3D space. Exploring the geometry of points in 3D space is essential for understanding spatial relationships. This presentation will cover key concepts such as coordinates, distance, and angles that define the position of points in three-dimensional space. Join us as we delve into this fascination topic. In 3D geometry, points are represented using three coordinates. It is x, y, and z. Each coordinate corresponds to a position in space, allowing us to define the location of a point. This presentation is crucial for various applications, including computer graphics and engineering. Calculating distance in 3D. To find the distance between 2 points in 3D space, we use the distance formula. This one. This okay. This formula is essential for application in physics, computer science, and robotics, where accurate distance measurements are vital. X2 minus x1 to the power of 2 plus y2 negative y1 to the power of 2 plus z2 negative z1 to the power of 2. Conclusion and applications. In conclusion, understanding the geometry of points in 3D space is fundamental for various fields, whether in an architecture, animation, or data visualization. These concepts enable us to navigate and manipulate spatial relationships effectively. And thank you for exploring this topic with us. Navigating the world, understanding vectors for direction and movement. Introduction to vectors. In this presentation, we will explore the concept of vectors in relation to direction and movement. Understanding vectors is essential for navigation, physics, and various fields of engineering. We will cover their definitions, applications, and how they can significantly enhance our ability to move through the world effectively. Vectors are mathematical entities that have both magnitude and direction. They can be represented graphically with arrows where the length indicates the magnitude and the arrows point shows the direction. Vectors are fundamental in physics, helping us understand forces, velocities, and more. Application of vectors. Vectors are used in various fields such as engineering, navigation, and computer graphics. They help in calculating force, velocity, and acceleration. Understanding how to manipulate vectors allow us to design better systems and improve our navigation techniques in both real and virtual environments. Conclusion on vectors. In summary, vectors play a crucial role in our understanding of movement and direction. Mastering vector concepts allows us to navigate more effectively and apply this knowledge in various practical scenarios. Embracing vectors can lead to enhanced problem-solving skills across multiple disciplines. Transforming shapes, the power of matrices in geometric data manipulation. Introduction to matrices. In this presentation, we will explore how matrices serve as powerful tools in geometric data manipulation, and understanding the role of matrices can significantly enhance our ability to form shapes, enabling applications in fields such as computer graphics, robotics, and data visualization. Basics of matrices. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in rows and columns. Each element in a matrix can represent a coordinate in space. By manipulating these elements, we can achieve various transformations such as translation, scaling, and rotation of shapes. Applications in geometry. Matrices are essential in geometric transformations. For instance, they allow us to easily perform operations like reflection and shearing. These transformations are crucial in computer graphics for rendering image, animations, and simulations, making the understanding of matrices vital for modern technology. Conclusion. In conclusion, the power of matrices in geometric data manipulation cannot be overstated. They provide a systematic approach to transforming shapes which is invaluable in numerous fields. Mastering matrix operations will open up new possibilities in design, engineering, and data analysis.